Hey, how's it? Welcome to the channel. Kid Showtime here, the Hype Beast bartender. What we got right here is a shoe pickup, y'all. All right, I finally got these. These came out last year. I waited, and I'm actually glad I waited because I got this for cheap. So, well, not cheap, but $10 under retail. Plus, it was actually less than $10 under, or actually more than $10 under retail. Plus, you know, I'd have to pay resale, so you can't go wrong with that. No resale and under retail, you can't beat that with a Supreme collaboration with Nike. I mean, a lot of people slept on this. You know, I can see why. Some people don't like it. You know, I get it. You know, at first I was on the fences, but then, you know, I kept looking at more pictures, more videos, and I was like, damn, it was actually very clean. Just, you know, I had those early, you know, what, 2010, 2007 vibe with the clear shoes that were all fake all over the internet. You know, if you remember those days, you know, I mean, some of them was actually cool sneakers, you know, but, you know, it's just whenever you saw a clear shoe, you knew it was fake. You know, it was one of those websites from, you know, somewhere outside the US. So, you know, I kind of stayed away from those clear ones. You know, you remember those clear babes and, you know, all those other ones over here, you know, those SpongeBob ones that they had, all those customized ones. But, you know, so I get it. I was one of those ones. But then, you know, looking at it again, I need a new work shoe. So, you know, I got to be hyped at work, y'all. Got to be hyped at work. Even if it's behind the bar, still got to be hyped. So here we go. We're about to open this up. Let's go. Boom. All right, so let's open this up. I don't know where my damn knife is, but whatever. Just gonna do it by hand. All right. Okay. All right, so here we go. You guys get a first look with me. There's anything else that came with it. Boom. So as you see, that Nike box. Okay, get that out the way. They put in here. And I did get this off of eBay, so you got, you know, just like StockX and GOAT, they do, you know, they do check it out for you. So the seller ships it to them, and then they ship it to you. So I forgot when I originally bought this, but you know, honestly, it didn't even take that long. I thought it was gonna take forever, especially when they it seemed like it took forever for them to get it. But once they got it, they, you know, they sent it to me quick. eBay did. You know, it says 1 day shipping on that. So yeah, it was super quick. So, you know, some of y'all wondering about it. I mean, of course, I got to check these shoes first and say, you know, they did a great job on it. But, you know, I haven't seen no fakes on these. So, I mean, maybe there are going around. But I looked online. I didn't see any fakes. I don't wear fakes. I don't, you know. But I get it, you know. You know, I get it. You know, if you're going to sell a fake, just make sure it says fake. Don't, you know, don't BS it. Because I've gotten stuff off of eBay that were fake that I thought were real. They said they were real and they weren't, you know, and I had to learn the hard way starting off. So, all right, let's take a look at the outside of the box. Boom, as you can see that box logo right there on that Supreme. Boom, so you got the other box logo right there. You know, get that out the way. Get the Air Max box, and then let's look at the tag. Boom, Nike Air Max 96 with that Supreme. 10.5 is my true to foot size. Sometimes I go up to 11. Or you know what the 6s, the Jordan 6s actually were a size below, so I'll drop down to a 10, just the way they're built. But usually I'm always 10.5, even for running shoes. Even though I got wide feet, I usually try to roll with that. But okay, let's open it up. Boom. And that first slip as well. All right, this box out the way. I don't keep the boxes anymore. See the tissue. Okay, and then you got the Nike and Supreme on it. Does it pop? Does it show on it? Oh, okay. Already got the first look at the shoe. All right, let's go. Forget about the paper. Let's talk about the shoe. This is why I'm here. You know, this is why I bought this. Okay, then you can see the eBay authenticity check. I can't say that word right now, but you know, the check is authentic. Boom, you can see that Supreme insole right there with the red and the white box logo on the bottom. It has that the air on it, and you can see that see-through material. And boom, I like this right here. It's the little details, but you got the Nike swish right there in the clear upper toe box right there. Man, these 96. I love the 96 model too. And then, okay, so this is a rubber. You got the Supreme gray box right there. As you can see, the light might be reflecting, but it says Supreme. Of course, you got the air bubbles going around. Damn, this looks fire in person. And I love the design of it because it's like, you know, being from Hawaii and everything, you know, you're so used to seeing shark tooth designs, shark fin designs. And as you can see, you got the shark fin designs going around. I don't know if that's what they were going for, but that's what it looks like, going like that. Dang, these are clean. Can't believe I slept on these. Then you got the Supreme right on the lace. Boom, on the lace tips right there. If you can zoom it in right there. It says Supreme on it in black and white. Oh yeah, still smells good. It's been less than a year actually, because it just came out with May 6th. You know, it's only April, what, the 12th right now? Yeah, April 12th, so it's less than a year. All right, so let's look more at the front. So, okay, so you got Supreme going down right here. Get that out the way. You know what? Let's go to the other pair. Yeah. Okay, then you got the tag on it too. So it's a good thing we went to that one. So boom, you got the Nike Air Supreme. You got the tag right here. You can see it. Boom. And then it's also in like a clear material as well. So I like that, you know. It's the details that go with it. All right, this insole is like coming off, but you know what? They might have like took the insole out. So I don't like it when it's like that, but if they gotta check it, yeah. So as you can see, you got the Supreme right there. You know, it doesn't seem as sticky. So yeah, they took it off. I mean, I don't know if that was to check it or not, but okay. And then as you can see, so let's go. So you got the box logo right here on the tongue as well with the Nike symbol. Boom. You got the Nike Supreme. You got Supreme again. And then you also got Supreme going around. I don't know if you can see it. But right there on the tongue as well. It's going boom, kind of like a V, and then boom again. All right. Of course, I'm not going to wear it with the tag on. You know, these are actually my work shoes. You know, even though these are really nice. You know, the material, all right. Doesn't feel too bad. You know, of course, worried about this clear yellowing. I think maybe that's why I stayed away from it too. If I wonder over time, will it get yellowed? Hopefully not. I mean, I'm gonna be busting these up at work, but you know, should I get another pair for the collection? Especially if I can get it on the retail. I might have to. Boom. Yeah, so I'm doing this thing where I'm doing like, I'm gonna get, you know, work 5 days a week. I'm gonna get 5 different, you know, kind of hype shoes under $200. You know, not trying to go too wild, but also not trying to get, you know, a pair that's not gonna, it's gonna hurt my feet. You know, you spend all that time on your feet at work. You know, as one of my old teachers said, you know, it's like you spend all that money gambling after work. You know, of course, you know, I work behind a bar. Spend all that money after work gambling, drinking. You know, but you don't take care of your feet. So it's like I don't see the, you know, especially someone with a bad knee, it helps. So I don't mind paying. You know, it's just gonna get dirty. I mean, you know, the shoes, I'm a collector as well, as you can see in the back. But you know, you know, I know they're gonna get dirty. But hey, it's what these shoes are for in a way. So yeah, I'm gonna have to double up on these. I'm really liking these. I don't know like where else I'm gonna wear these. Maybe just flash the socks. And speaking of socks, okay, show the bottom. I did already, but here's this pair. Damn. Oh yeah, it's got that new smell already. Put that down. So I'm gonna do the on foot.
I'm feeling good and nice, yeah. Wake up in the morning.